the starlit sky. The cold hits hard as the cars roll by. Curtains switch for the love to pry. But the blood red moon in the starlit sky. Breathe, breathe deep and slow. Fill your lungs with cool air. Lift up your head. Let your instincts guide you home. The rabbits scurry out of sight. They fear your tread and your blinding lights. At the water's edge where the turns are tight, feel the cold wind blow as it does tonight. Turn back to home, for your legs grow tired. Climb up that hill, for your instincts guide you home. Close the door tonight.